A. A for ant. Ant. A for airplane. Airplane. A for apple. Apple. A for ambulance. Ambulance. B. B for bus. Bus. B for beer. Beer. B for banana. Banana. B for boat. Boat. C. C for cat. Cat. C for car. Car. C for carrot. Carrot. C for cow. Cow. D. D for dog. Dog. D for drum. Drum. D for duck. Duck. D for donkey. Donkey. E. E for elephant. Elephant. E for egg. Egg. E for eagle. Eagle. E for ear. Ear. F. F for fire truck. F for fish. Fish. F for frog. Frog. F for fan. Fan. G. G for giraffe. Giraffe. G for grapes. Grapes. G for goat. Goat. G for gift. Gift. H. H for horse. H for house. House. H for helicopter. Helicopter. H for hen. Hen. I. I for eyes. Eyes. I for igloo. Igloo. I for iron. Iron. And I for island. Island. J. J for jeep. Jeep. J for jug. Jug. J for juice. Juice. And J for jelly. Jelly. K. K for kitten. Kitten. K for kite. Kite. K for key. Key. And K for kangaroo. Kangaroo. L. L for lion. Lion. L for lemon. Lemon. L for leaf. Leaf. And L for lamp. Lamp. M. M for monkey. Monkey. M for mango. Mango. M for mug. Mug. And M for moon. Moon. N. N for net. Net. N for nest. Nest. N for notebook. Notebook. And N for noodles. Noodles. O. O for owl. Owl. O for orange. Orange. O for onion. Onion. And O for oven. Oven. for parrot. P for pig. Pig. P for potato. Potato. And P for pen. Pen. Q. Q for quail. Quail. Q for queen. Queen. Q for quilt. Quilt. And Q for quill. Quill. R. R for rat. Rat. R for ring. Ring. R for rainbow. Rainbow. And R for rose. Rose. S. S for ship. Ship. S for spoon. Spoon. S for star. Star. And S for sandwich. Sandwich. T. T for tiger. Tiger. T for tomato. Tomato. T for tree. Tree. And T for train. Train. U. U for unicorn. Unicorn. U for umbrella. Umbrella. U for urn. Urn. U for utensil. Utensil. V. V for van. Van. V for violin. Violin. V for vase. Vase. And V for volcano. Volcano. W. W for watch. Watch. W for window. Window. W for whale. Whale. And W for wheel. Wheel. X. X for xylophone. X for Xmas tree. Xmas tree. X for X-ray. X-ray. And X for Xerox. Xerox. Y. Y for York. York. Y for yam. Yam. Y for yogurt. Yogurt. And Y for yolk. Yolk. Z. Z for zebra. Zebra. Z for zoo. Zoo. Z for zucchini. Zucchini. And Z for zip. Zip. That's it. Thank you for watching. For more, please subscribe to Bakbak Bachche.